Today we're gonna discuss how to start bank exam preparation from zero. And this is for working professional also. So first we need to complete the basics of quant and reasoning. For basic, you can follow YouTube videos. For example, Adda Zero to Hero batch that is available in YouTube for free. Once we completed the basic, now we need to start giving the mock exams. Initially, we can give mocks on textbook and later we can attempt these mocks on the practice mock or in the SmartKid app. Believe me, you don't need to do anything extra apart from this practice. To crack bank exam, giving mock in the regular basis is more than enough. You need to give at least 50 to 60 mocks before appearing for that actual exam. In the first 20 mocks, you will get percentile between 20 to 50, and it is normal as this is a phase of the every aspirant life. But if you properly analyze the previous 20 mocks, you will start getting a good percentile that is above 80 in your next 30 to 60 mocks. Thanks, and please subscribe the channel.